Hey you and welcome. My name is Guy, and in this video we are going to look at the part of our service which tracks all information to do with the healthcare and pharmaceutical sector. So this is a demo account which has been set up here, which we're using. This is the welcome page once you've logged on, and we'll go straight to the healthcare and pharma side of things. So we scroll down, left-hand side navigation is where it all happens. And then you'll see here, if we go down, healthcare and pharma. And next to that, it says we're tracking information on 5,431 companies globally involved with the healthcare and pharmaceutical industry. So we click on that, and the page will refresh, and it will give us all of the most recent latest news on the healthcare and pharmaceutical industry. So here we are, healthcare and pharma, as it says up here in the banner at the top. And then if we scroll down, the latest news. So most recent article up here at the top here, as you can see. To view the news article, you click on the headline and it opens up another window. Below the headline, you have the source, the date, and the time, and how relevant the article is to the subject, which in this case is the healthcare and pharmaceutical industry. Over here, we have the archived box, which is a saved copy of the news article. So if ever a live link is removed, you still have a copy of it here. Scrolling down, there are 30 news articles on each page, and we have a huge number of sources for the healthcare and pharmaceutical industry, as you would expect. So, latest news, companies and entities, top 100 links, email subs. If we just click on the email subs here, this will show you where you can switch yourself on to receive a daily email on the healthcare and pharmaceutical industry. You put a little tick in the box here, you press the submit button, and that will now go to your inbox twice a day. That's switched off, you just go back, untick the box, and press the submit button. So it's very, very, very flexible. Next to the email subs, we have the 100 links, as you can see here. If we click on the top 100 links, this will show you the top 50 companies and the top 50 individuals mentioned throughout our whole platform with the healthcare and pharmaceutical industry. Next to that, you have the companies and entities, no doubt full list of them. If I just scroll down here, it says there are 5,431 that we are tracking information on. We can either access it from here or we can access it from here. So if we click on that, this will show us a full list of those those companies within the industry. As the list is so huge, obviously we're not going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, but this will just give you an idea as to how extensive that list really is with the coverage. It's really really phenomenal. Where you have the little red logo, it means they're next to the company name. It means there has been a news article within the last 24 hours. Okay, so if we just keep scrolling down a little bit, let's go and have a look at AstraZeneca. Okay, so we keep scrolling down. This is still only the letter A, and we will find it. Where are we? AstraZeneca, there we go. So if we click on it, you can also search for companies under this bit. Now we've gone to AstraZeneca here, okay? But you can search more quickly for companies. You can just type it in their name under the seal 19,256. But here for AstraZeneca, we've got latest news, okay? So most recent news article up here at the top, percentage relevance, again, as to how relevant the article is to the subject, which in this case is AstraZeneca. You can add in the other languages, German, French, and Russian. If you speak any of those languages, you can add in those news articles by just checking those boxes. But you can see a huge amount of information that's being pulled in. Again, email subs, this is where you could switch yourself on for a daily email on this company. If this is what you wanted, you put a little tick in the box there and press the submit button. I will do that now. And then we have the top 100 links. If we click on the top 100 links, this is what I mentioned to you just a few minutes ago with the whole healthcare and pharmaceutical industry. But here, it shows you the top 50 companies and the top 50 individuals that have been mentioned in news articles with AstraZeneca across our whole platform. So if I just scroll down here, no surprise really to see Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson mentioned up here at the top. But then it gives you an idea of some of the other pharmaceutical industries that pharmaceutical companies and healthcare companies that we are tracking across this platform. You can click on any of these companies and see the most up-to-date information on them. Okay. So it really, really is very thorough. If you wanted to see the 673 news articles where AstraZeneca is mentioned with Pfizer, you can actually just click on that and view that. But if we just scroll down here, let's have a look at one of these companies. Let's have a look at the Russian Research Institute, which has stated that it has found a vaccine for COVID-19. So here we have the company name up here at the top, or the institute name up here at the top. Latest news, as you can see, top 100 links, and again, email subs. Just to show you how the language side of things works, if we put a little tick in the box here, you'll see the Russian language articles being added where this company is mentioned. And again, with a Russian company, you'd always expect to see more in Russian than you would in, obviously, in the English language. So there we are. What we'll do now is we'll just go back to where we were. Actually, we'll just click on this very quickly, see all 19,256. Just to show you, this is where you can type in companies if there happens to be a company that you wanted to see, for example. I was going to typing in BioNTech there. Or, for example, let's say you want to see all companies with the word cancer in their name that we're tracking information on. There we go. And what we will now is we will now draw this to a close. What I just will mention very quickly, we'll be showing it in subsequent videos, is here under health and under drugs and cures. This is obviously related to the healthcare and pharmaceutical industry. But under health, we are tracking information on 162 different illnesses and conditions, which we'll discuss in a later video, and on 2,737 drugs and cures. But we'll go to that in a later video, as I said. So all that's left is for me to thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it, and we will see you, as always, very soon in the next video. In the meantime, please take care of yourselves. Thank you.